Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informed video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon's $30 Unlimited Plus tablet plan offering 5G access. This is also that they're doubling the amount of data that you can actually get, and we'll talk about that and what I'm talking about. So let's get onto this by Engadget. So let's check it out, guys, and read some of it to you guys so you guys can get kind of informed, and I'll give you my personal opinion. So it says Verizon has introduced a new plan for tablets, hotspots, smartphones, and laptops. They'll give you access to its 5G ultra wideband network. Now remember, this is the network that's super fast, and that let's just say Verizon only has it in little pockets of areas. The way I've seen this network, yes, it's super fast. This is the one you can get 1 to 2 gigabytes down, but you have to be near near a tower. There can't be any like trees or buildings obstructing the view from you and that tower. If not, you're not going to get that 5G speed that everybody's talking about. So it's kind of sketchy right now. It says provided you have a device that supports it. So you will have to have a device that supports, of course, the 5G ultra wideband. The Unlimited Plus plan expands upon the carrier's old unlimited plan and includes double the LTE data allowance. So this right here is telling you that you're getting double the data allowance. So before, pretty sure it'll tell you here in just a little bit, before it was 15 gigabytes of high-speed 4G LTE data. Now they're doubling it to 30 gigs, which is actually nice. 30 gigs is plenty. That's usually what an unlimited cell phone plan used to offer. Now, of course, a lot of them are offering unlimited, but it says while the standard unlimited plan comes with 15 gigs of LTE data, the Plus version comes with 30 gigabytes. It's also just $10 more expensive at $30 a month if you already have an existing smartphone plan with the company. So it's a lot cheaper if you already have Verizon and you already have a cell phone plan with them. It's only $30 versus, I believe, standalone's like $80 or something like that if you don't have a plan with them. As the carrier says, the new offering is meant to address people's need for more data and a more reliable coverage due to work from home or distancing learning arrangements. So that is pretty true. Right now with the whole COVID-19 going on, a lot of people are working from home or schooling from home. So 15 gigabytes is not going to get you that far versus 30, I think, will get you a little bit closer to that. But it depends if you're doing a lot of Zoom calls, that's probably eating up a lot of data. But if you're just doing some study work or homework, 30 gigs should be plenty. So that's pretty good with that. It says, of course, the new plan would be even sweeter for those who have the devices that can take advantage of Verizon's 5G network, such as Samsung Galaxy S7 Tab and Lenovo Flex 5G. So of course it'd be better if you had a 5G device. It says, in addition to the new 5G plan that works with several devices, Verizon has also launched an affordable standard plan for smartwatches. Nobody really cares too much about it, but it's something to talk about. It says, it now also costs $10 to add a smartwatch to an existing smartphone or unlimited plan, which is half of what it used to cost. Wow, they were charging $20 for a watch plan? Wow, Verizon, you're crazy, dog. It says Verizon will automatically move current customers, even those using number share, to share one mobile number access across multiple devices to the cheaper plan. And both current and future subscribers can rest assured that the plans support new smartwatch models, including the latest Apple Watches. So let me actually get a diagram of these plans for you. Alright guys, so this is from Verizon's actually newsroom. So this is through Verizon's actual website, and we can view the plans here. So let's check it out. So there we go. I made it a little bit bigger. It says now get unlimited for your other devices too. It says connect tablets, mobile hotspots, laptops, and more. Get 5G ultra wideband with select plans. Start by shopping devices. So here's the plans that they offered. So for the unlimited, for $10, it says plan cost per month with an existing smartphone on an unlimited plan plus taxes and fees. So they do have a $10 plan that it's $10 if you already have an existing unlimited plan with them. So it says this is for smartwatches, unlimited 4G LTE, 15 plus gigabytes of premium data, unlimited talk and text. So that's more for smartwatches. Now we'll go to the unlimited $20 plan, and this is more for tablets, jetpacks, Wi-Fi's, and hotspots. So for $20, and like I said, this is $20 if you already have an existing unlimited plan with them. For tablets, it's unlimited 4G LTE plus 15 gigabytes of premium data. So you'll get 15 gigabytes of your unlimited data of fast. It says unlimited mobile hotspot, 15 gigs of 4G LTE. So same thing, your hotspot is capped at 15 gigs. After that, it's basically it'll slow down. So you do have 15 gigs of fast internet. You can do whatever you want. Jetpacks, MiFi, and hotspots. You get unlimited mobile hotspot, 15 gigs of 4G LTE. So basically, this plan for $20 a month for tablets and jetpacks, MiFi, and hotspots will get you 15 gigs of high-speed data. Now, if we go to the Unlimited Plus, this is where you can actually get access to the 5G ultra wideband. So it says get 5G ultra wideband and the most premium data for your tablets, jetpacks, MiFi, and hotspots. Of course, it's $30. So like I said, it's $10 more from the $20 plan. But same thing, you will have to have a device that's compatible. And of course, this is if you already have a smartphone with unlimited data. It says tablets, you get unlimited 5G ultra wideband. Wow. So on a tablet, if you're lucky, if you have, like I said, the Samsung Tab 7, S7, it's saying here you get unlimited 5G ultra wideband. But remember, you have to have a 5G device and you have to be basically lucky to live next to a 5G tower. Now, I'm pretty sure probably 3-4 years from now, this could be widely more available. But right now, it's certain areas and you have to be, like I said, really close to a 5G tower. It says unlimited 4G LTE. This is 4G. You will get plus 30 gigabytes of premium data. So you're doubling your data from 15 all the way to 30. Unlimited mobile hotspot, of course, 30 gigs of 4G LTE. And then jetpacks, like little portable Wi-Fi's, MiFi's, hotspots. It's unlimited 5G ultra wideband, but unlimited mobile hotspots, only 30 gigs of 4G LTE, guys. So it's saying you'll get unlimited 5G. Like I said, what do I kind of think about this? It's nice they're giving you unlimited data on tablets and jetpacks and hotspots and all that stuff. But remember, that's only on the 5G ultra wide band. And I think Verizon's pretty smart by doing this. You know, it's of course it's gonna be a lot better internet, faster and everything. But a lot of people, I would say probably majority, probably like 90-something% of the population doesn't even have access to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband, that is, versus like T-Mobile. They actually cover a big portion, I would say, of the United States with their 5G. Of course, it's not going to be as fast as the ultra wideband, but it's at least you're getting 5G. So that's what's cool about T-Mobile. Of course, Verizon's is faster, but it takes a lot more to get access to it. So it is what it is, but it is nice that for $10 more you can double your 4G LTE access, which I would say a lot, probably 99% of the population has access to. So for $10 more, I would say go for it if you're needing for homeschooling or just doing work from home. That's the way to go. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you want to support me, you can by checking out the links below with Honey and all that stuff. So thank you, guys.